Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Nicole, and this year one of my New Year's resolutions is to become more artistic and learn how to draw. My goal for January was to draw something every single day for a month, and though I failed to do this consistently, I still wanted to share my journey throughout the month. I started with drawing cute characters and then moved on to dabbling a bit in really basic anatomy. More recently, I've been learning how to draw chibi and kawaii characters. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and let me know down in the comments what your favorite art style is.